In order to make open source contributions and retire at 16, you just need one thing, $1 million. To bribe the maintainer so they make contributions on your behalf and you spend the quality time with your girlfriend, if you have one. But if you're a part-time Manrega worker like me, then let me tell you one cheaper way to make open source contribution under 3 minutes. First thing first, what you need to plant a tree. A seed. Similarly, what you need to contribute to open source is an issue to work on. Now, as I told you before, I was a 20-year-old 6 feet noob coder, highly fertile Indian male. So while contributing to my first open source project, I faced the biggest dilemma of my life. The easy to medium issues were already picked by the cracked and jack dudes, and the ones that were left were feeling like coding a satellite end to end. So I followed a technique I mentioned in this video, basically using a product end to end as an user. After tinkering here and there for some time, I noticed whenever I am selecting the blocks, the trash can that is used to delete the blocks is becoming Mr. India, and it surely confuses the users. Immediately my soul hinted that this is the one. So I quickly raised an issue mentioning the problem with a screen recording and steps to reproduce. Also, I proposed a possible solution, basically move the trash can above the blocks. Now here I couldn't flex my powerful coding abilities by launching a pull request directly because I wasn't sure if this issue is worth fixing or not. What if it's a feature, not a bug? And even if it was a bug, then what would be the optimal solution? So I did what most single people do. Wait for the response. After some time, maintainer responded that we should move the trash can to the right side of the screen. But I had one more question that okay, it's to the right, but where exactly to the right? Because there are too many places to the right side of the screen. So using my industry standard graphic designing skills, I made a prototype and asked the maintainer again. The maintainer corrected it and suggested to put it in the middle. That's what she. So I made another prototype, but this time showing off my legendary Photoshop skills. And this time maintainer and I were on the same page. So finally I started working on the issue. Now I know that your attention span is cooked, so I'm cutting this video as part 1. And just after this video, in part 2, I'll show the exact first principles method that I used to solve this issue and got the PR merged without using any tool like Cursor. See you in the next one.